Dear traders, in this video I'm going to tell you about the strategy that can not only be used for the scalping but also for day trading. And this strategy we can use for the Forex, crypto and stock market as well. Before going towards the details, I want to tell you that which broker I'm using for my trading, that is XNES. If you want to open your account with them, you can get the 5 options of accounts. They are standard, standard cent, raw spread, zero and pro accounts. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods, plus they give you maximum profit for your each trading. So if you're interested to open your account with them, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here we are going to use two indicators. The first indicators that we are using here is Benkai. Benkai by Hit Trades. 390 traders are using this indicator, and you have to click on it. It will be applied on your chart. The second indicator that we are going to use here is moving average. Simply you have to click on it. It will be applied on your chart. Close from here and you have to come here. First we will go into the adjustment of the first indicator, that is Benkai. From inputs we have to come here down and we have to uncheck all these 4 options. Show EMA, cloud 1, 2, 3, 4, these all. And now we will go into the style tab. From here we have to see and we have to uncheck these all shapes. That's all. Click OK. And now we will go into the adjustment of moving average. From here we have to go into the input and we will change its length from 9 to 21. And in the style tab we have to change its color from blue to white, and its thickness I want to keep a bit more. Okay. Now your chart is ready. Let's move towards the strategy, how we have to enter into the buy market and how we have to enter into the sell market. Let's see here. It is giving you the long signal. The long signal is showing that you are ready to enter into the buy trade. We have to see that our moving average line should be below these appearing candles that are showing to the market. It means we have more buyers than the sellers in the market. So if you have your green candles above this moving average line, it means you are ready to enter into the market and it is confirmed that you can take the trade for the buy. So you have taken the trade and you have taken the profit as well. From here it has shown us a short signal. That means you can take the trade for the bearish signal and for the sell signal. So this we have to wait for the bearish market trend for this short signal. Afterwards we have to wait for our red candles should appear below this moving average line. Here it has gone above, but we will not take entry until our candles of the market are not below this moving average line. So we have taken entry from here and taken the trade and profit till here. So this is showing that how powerful this strategy is, how they are showing us the maximum strength of the signals and how it can take the trade. For example, here again, long signal we have found. We have to wait for the market to move above this moving average line. As the market has taken the trade, taken the entry into the below this above this moving average line, then we will enter into the market for the buy signal. And you can see here that we have taken the maximum profit from here. If we move towards any other chart, for example here, it has given us the long signal. The first moving candle was this, and afterwards we have taken the profit from here till here. Okay, then this has given us the Benkai. Our Benkai indicator has given us the short signal or the short signal for the bearish trade. So we have to move for the bearish signal, but we have to wait for the market to come below this moving average line, as you can see, and we have taken the profit maximum till here. So this is all about this indicator strategy. I have showed you in 2 of the charts. You can check it on your own time frame by using these 2 indicators. So if you like the strategy, do not forget to like and subscribe my video. Good luck for your trading. Thank you and bye-bye.